I'm Ingrid and today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful crossing arm movement, okay? And then you're going to learn how to do it as a single to the side. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, always have a nice posture, remember, knees slightly bent. All we're going to do is start with the right arm, you go out and up, your wrist comes up, your hand follows, and just turn it around, okay? And then as you're up here, what we're gonna do is you don't want your fingers to be spread out, but you don't want it to be too tight either. We're not doing the snake arm. We're doing a classy, beautiful, elegant hand movement. And just make sure your thumb and your fingers are close to each other, but they're not stiff. They're not glued together. They're just nicely close together, and you don't want the thumb to stick out, okay? So, all you're gonna do is then, from the right, let's begin. Out, wrist comes up, hand follows, turn it just around, right above your head. And then, I'm just coming closer. And then, just let your wrist lead your hand to the right, to the left, and all the way as it's coming down, okay? So your arm is just coming down. It's not the arm moving around, it's your wrist making the hand go right and left, okay? Like a little dancer here. So let's do it again. Right side, out, wrist, hand, turn it around nicely, and then just come right, left with the wrist, right, left, and as you're coming down like about chest level, then you can come out again, turn it around, and then just come down. And the more you practice your wrist, pulling your hand right, left, the more you will become really good at all these hand movements, okay? So please practice your hands often. Your wrist goes right, left, because your brain will start remembering that the wrist is doing the movement even though it doesn't show, right? It looks like it's just the hand, but actually the wrist is going right and left. Come here, my hand. Okay, so let's do the left side. Same thing. Your hand out, comes up right above your head. Just turn it around. And then nicely, right with your wrist and out and left, just come down. Trying to keep a straight line with your hand, with your arm, sorry. And as you come down right about chest level, just go out again, and then turn it around, and then just come down. And you don't have to be perfect doing right and left. Maybe it's difficult for you. I struggle with left sometimes. So just, do what you can do. And if your strength is your right side, then you can do more of the right side when you do them as single. Okay? So, you can do them as a single, when you're dancing and the right comes up and just like this. Always use your body when you do an arm movement. Never do it just the arm movement. It doesn't look right and it doesn't look good. And you don't feel it in the same way because you're actually dancing, so your body should be doing all these things together. Just do a little bit of any type of body movement, all right? And then you can do the left. Just coming down, all right, and then you can do the right, like this. It's really pretty. Now, we're also gonna learn how to do it double crossing each other, all right? So, this is also very pretty. So, we're doing them together now. Out, both of them. As you come up here, let them cross, turn around, and just come down. Same thing, but we're just doing it both together, okay? All right, let's do it one more time. Out. When you're coming up here, let them cross, and then just turn them around and come down, crossing each other. Okay? So, out, cross, turn around, and cross each other as they're coming down. Okay? So, one of the trick is also you can't do too much of it for too long. it kind of like ruins the whole movement, so you want it to look exciting and feel exciting. So if that makes sense. So you can do, also another way you can practice is when you do both, up, you can stop here before it even crosses, okay? You can turn them around, this is another way of doing it, and then just go right, left, and just come down, okay? All you're doing is exactly the same movement as we did single, but now we're just coming up, we're turning them around, and we're just coming down with both of them together. But you can, so when you practice, you can do this and then cross them, or you can go crossing straight away, turn around and just go down. Okay? So now you know how to do single and how to do double. You can do them, you know, as you're dancing, you might just be, just suddenly do one, you can do it like this, or you can just, you do something and you're like, I feel like doing both together in this moment, I feel like doing both. So the choice is yours. You know how to do all of them. You can combine them, whatever you want. And one last thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it to the side. So all you do is basically turn to the side. So whoever you are dancing with, or whoever is watching you, whoever you are facing, just turn to the side. Because, you know, unless you're doing this at home, just having fun by yourself dancing, someone is probably watching you, or maybe you want them to see you, right? So you turn to the side. All you do is, you're gonna do the same thing. So just like we did from the front, it's gonna come down exactly the same way. The only difference is it's from the side, and you are aware, whoever is, you know, around you, that you're doing it to the side because you want them to see, or you know, that even if it's not for them, for yourself, but you're doing it from the side. So you're coming down. So you can do it either put your head down a bit, and it just looks very elegant, and you're moving your body a little bit with it. Or if you choose to do it like a pose, you can, you know, move your like this, your hip up and your hand, and as you're doing it, you're obviously looking to the side at someone. So you can do it this way as well. Same thing. Oops, sorry. Basically, all you do is you're coming up and you look your head down a bit, relaxed and beautiful and elegant, and you're moving your body, or you're doing it like a pose. You're just like this. So the choice is yours. Now you know how to do single, how on each side. It's up to you. You can do them crossing them, beautiful, no matter whatever you're doing, what dance music you're listening to, or you turn it around and you're just doing side one, head down a bit. And always remember, always to move your body as much as you can. I mean, not a big movement, just a small little movement, just so that it looks like you feel and look like you are connected, all of it together. Your arms, your body, your mind, everything, okay? Obviously, it doesn't look good otherwise, because if the hand is just doing this, there's no point, right? So now you know. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you can see how beautiful all this is, and with a nice dress or outfit, whatever really, even if it's just casual clothes, it's just really, really pretty. And you can add this anytime with your single ones or doubles or to the side. Mix it up, you know, when you're dancing. So let me know if you really like this, and subscribe and like the video. And ladies, enjoy dancing. I will see you next time. Bye.